How can I solve the flashing yellow light issue on my Amazon Fire Cube?
Hello, FireCube users. Today, we're going to tackle an issue some of you might be familiar with: the flashing yellow light on your Amazon Fire Cube. It can be quite bothersome, but don't worry, we'll guide you through the steps to solve it.
What does the flashing yellow light mean?
First, it's important to understand what this flashing yellow light indicates. In the case of the Amazon Fire Cube, a flashing yellow light typically suggests that there's a notification or a message waiting for you. However, in some instances, it could also be a sign of connectivity issues.
Checking your notifications.
The first thing you should do when you notice the flashing yellow light is to check your notifications. To do that, 1. Say, "Alexa, play my notifications," to your Amazon Fire Cube. 2. Listen to all the messages and make sure to clear them. 3. Check if the yellow light is still flashing.
Troubleshooting connectivity issues.
If checking your notifications doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to troubleshoot potential connectivity issues. 1. Reboot your device and your router. Unplug your Fire Cube and your router, wait a few moments, then plug them back in. This can often solve temporary connectivity issues. 2. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Make sure your Fire Cube is within a good range of your router, and that other devices are able to connect to the internet. 3. Update your Fire Cube. Make sure your device is running the latest version of its operating system. You can check this by navigating to Settings, My Fire TV, About Greater Than, check for System Update. 4. Reset your Fire Cube to factory settings. If none of the above steps work, you might need to reset your device. Please note that this will erase all data on your Fire Cube and you will need to set it up again from scratch. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you to fix the flashing yellow light issue on your Amazon Fire Cube. As always, remember to keep your device updated and ensure a good connection to avoid such issues in the future. Thanks for watching.